on our way to the boat to do a little bit of sailing tomorrow, and I'm the passenger princess. Just got to the boat launch and we're doing our dinghy thing here. It's Friday evening, it's like 8:30, and it's pretty crowded already. It is really low tide also. I'm interested to see how much water is under the boat when we get there. Kurt doesn't need any help. He's got this. We go look at the water. Normally, when it's a normal low tide, it's like 2.5 feet under our boat. This looks like it's a little extra low. So, I'm curious to get out there. It's going down even further still. It's not quite back to high tide. That is low. After hanging out with our friends at the campground, we finally made it on the boat. It is nice and chilly. I think tonight is gonna be the last night when it is in like the 60s overnight. So tomorrow night will be nice and hot. Right now it is, yeah, it's perfect 61 degrees in the boat. Right now. Kurt is getting all of our bags on the boat. These are the solar lights working at night so we can find the boat. They do attract a lot of bugs. Like huge moths. But it's a nice clear night. There's no clouds or anything. Net set up over the cockpit or over the companionway, so no bugs are getting in here. We have our battery operated LED lights. Bless you. So yeah, no chance of breaking a sweat anytime soon, so that's nice. It's a big change from what we're used to sleeping on the boat. Now, so we'll wake up in the morning and head out probably either to get breakfast or sail somewhere. So I'm drinking these stateside vodka sodas, black cherry, which are really good. 4.5% alcohol. Which is surprising because I've only had like one of these and one Bloody Mary. Bloody Mary mix and vodka's my gift. So yay! Yay! So I have drank a little bit and I feel like I'm gonna get the spins, which is no good. How deep is it?
Fish jumping out, 2.5 feet.
Yeah. hopefully catch some wind. Should be about 6 miles per hour with like 13 miles per hour gusting, so that should be good. Light wind, practicing. It's 10:30 right now and it is about, I don't know, 78 degrees probably. There's this really big dead fish. Like, what do you think ate that? It's a big carp. But yeah, I'm gonna do some sailing. Gonna make for an interesting wake for us. Those two are the big speedboats that always have like the enormous waves. So we're gonna get hit double. Comes the second one. That wasn't so bad. Good job, Kurt. Good job.
It's okay.
Got the main out. We do have some wind. Our tailtails are happy. Well, sometimes.
2 miles an hour.
Going 2 miles an hour. And this time I did get the like space out of the sail there. Probably because it's full of wind now. But our winch still doesn't work quite well, so we gotta replace that. But it's all the way up. I think we're gonna need a tack soon. Alright, we just did a tack. Tailtails are still happy. We are, I think though we're close reach.
We are close reach, yes.
Very good. See, I'm learning my points to sail. Close reach. And we're going over some wake. Which is always nicer when the sail is up for some reason. It doesn't seem as bad. That jet ski guy's crazy. Let him go. Surprised that person on the back didn't get whipped off yet. Woo! There goes some big boats. There's the bay. We're still in the Sassafras River right now. But we are tacking. So we stay close to a beam reach with the wind coming from this direction right now, and trying to stay out of everybody's way. We have the cars in the center here, and the main sheet is doing all the work, forming the sail. We have the dagger board halfway down, and that's keeping us from being pushed sideways. And we did another tack. We're just tacking our way into the wind, out to the bay. I should really get a camera that just like sits here and watches us do all of our tacking and stuff. Yeah.
I'll bring it up.
Yeah. So then it's not just all like, hey, we tacked again. Look, we're done tacking. Alright, so now we're hungry. So most YouTube videos have some like really cool meal they make while they're sailing. I'm gonna make ham and cheese sandwiches with some Frito chips, so we're not that kind of fancy around here. Hey, guess what? We tacked again. And now we have a whole bunch of wake to go through because there's like 1, 2, 3, 4 boats coming in from the bay. And then there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boats going out to the bay. And we are just going to sail across all their wake. It is a beautiful day out. The wakes. We messed everything up. I like those boats. I was gonna get a motorboat and I had $1 million, so I would get a Ranger tug. Wind's dying again. Got the Genoa out on the mainsail. I think we're on a beam reach. Or do you think more sail would be let out? We're on a close reach. Because the wind is coming from like there. We went from 1.5 knots and I let out the Genoa to 2.5 knots. Almost 3. Like immediately. So that was fun. Now of course we do have motorboats coming directly at us as we tack up the river to get out to the bay. And there's one there too. But our sails are looking nice. Very good. I just noticed we have a pretty big hole in our Genoa. Looks like it's time for some new sails probably. Four knots. 4 miles per hour. I just tacked and I did both sails. The Genoa and the mainsail. Thank you. I'm pretty proud of myself. It went smoother than I was expecting it to. Because I'm worried all the time that stuff's gonna get messed up. Pulling them back in. I think the wind has kind of died down a little bit because we're only going 2 miles an hour and it definitely doesn't feel like we're moving at all. I mean, it feels like we're not moving. There's another sailboat over there. They seem to be doing okay. We are done sailing for the moment. Back to motoring, back down the river, meet up with some friends. I grabbed my phone just in time for this guy to fly by. It was like a super low flying airplane. Our anchors are holding really well, so that's good because there's some really big waves coming through here. We got a stern anchor and a bow anchor. And we're not moving, so that's good. There's a bunch of flies everywhere. Having fun. beach party. Heading back to the mooring ball. It's crazy busy out here. Hi. You gonna back away slowly? You're pretty. So there's an abandoned campsite right next door to us. And apparently now it's got a deer living in there. Better than raccoons and stuff, I guess. Oh, really cool to see him there. A little baby deer. We are packing up and heading home.